Starting around 27 July 2023, Algorand in every practical sense is exchanging at 11 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.39% in most recent 60 minutes, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Algo basically has a kind of complete market cap of $857,917,404, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $29,012,476, or so they really thought. This sort of makes Algorand, Algo, essentially positioning at 45 in the digital currency market. Or so they especially thought. In the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the Algorand cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Algorand really be genuinely worth in 2023? Lovely in opposition to mainstream thinking. Is Algorand a wise speculation or essentially worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Will Algo cost generally outperform its untouched high? Or so they in every practical sense thought. These in every practical sense are our Algorand cost expectations for Algo's future. Algorand, Algo, value expectation 2023. As per the Algorand conjecture cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Algo cost by and large is supposed to in a real sense cross a sort of normal value level of 13 cents. The normal truly least value worth of Algorand toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to in every practical sense be 13 cents in and in every way that really matters, huge way. Besides, Algo can for the most part arrive at a really greatest value level of 14 cents. Algorand, Algo, value expectation July 2023. The cost for Algorand in July 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 10 cents and 12 cents in a genuinely significant manner, while the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to really be around 11 cents. Which for the most part is very huge. Algorand value expectation August 2023. The cost of Algorand generally is truly anticipated to especially reach at a by and large least worth of 11 cents in August 2023, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Algo cost could in a real sense arrive at an exceptionally most extreme worth of 12 cents, with the really normal exchanging worth of 12 cents all through 2023. Which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Algorand value gauge September 2023. The extremely normal cost of Algorand, Algo, could explicitly go to 12 cents. Toward the finish of September 2023, in an especially large manner, Algo could be exchanging around a genuinely most extreme worth of 13 cents, with the truly least expected cost of 11 cents, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Algorand value gauge October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of Algorand certainly is supposed to explicitly be at around a really least of 12 cents in a by and large enormous manner. Algorand cost can truly arrive at a very limit of 13 cents, with the sort of typical cost of 12 cents in United States dollars, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Algorand, Algo, value expectation November 2023. Concerning November 2023. Algorand cost explicitly is conjecture to explicitly arrive at a barely the most minimal cost of 12 cents, or so they by and large thought. The Algo cost could especially arrive at a kind of greatest cost of 14 cents, with the truly normal expected cost around 13 cents, which basically is very huge. Algorand, Algo, value expectation December 2023. Concerning December 2023. Algorand value sort of is gauged to really arrive at a particularly the most reduced cost of 13 cents. So Algorand value forecast August 2023. The cost of Algorand certainly is explicitly anticipated to reach at a truly least worth of 11 cents in August 2023. The Algo cost could explicitly arrive at an in every practical sense most extreme cost of 14 cents, with the typical expected cost around 13 cents. Algorand past value examination in the specific beyond 24 hours, the crypto in every way that really matters has been truly diminished by 1.05% in its essentially current worth, which especially shows that Algo fundamentally has an all things considered, all-out market cap of $857,917,404, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $29,012,476 in an unpretentious manner. Assuming we basically analyze the in every practical sense current market cap of the Algo with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap by and large is likewise down, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Algorand is confronting an extremely tough time jumping aboard with exceptionally other crypto coins, or so they by and large thought. The algo for the most part is down to nearly 4.25% in the especially most recent 7 days, showing how Algo has a sort of all-out market cap of $857,917,404, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $29,012,476, which especially is very huge. The coin basically is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections for past genuinely couple of days. The coin could explicitly major areas of strength for have at the same time. We don't for the most part feel that it would a beneficial resource in by and large present moment, exhibiting that the algo for the most part is down to nearly 4.25% in the very most recent 7 days, showing how Algo truly has a genuinely complete market cap of $857,917,404, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $29,012,476, which in a real sense is very huge. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Algo diminished by 53.293%, killing an astounding normal amount of 13 cents from its truly current worth, especially further appearance. How starting around 27 July 2023, Algorand basically is exchanging at 11 cents in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.39% in truly most recent 60 minutes. Or so they for the most part thought. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin explicitly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can in a real sense be a very great generally purchase and open door for fundamentally speedy interest in a really significant manner. The 90 days cost change explicitly is near 54.99%. And the cost explicitly coursed from a genuinely least fundamentally normal cost of 23 cents to extremely greatest exceptionally normal cost of 25 cents in the truly beyond 90 days, or so they generally thought. Algorand by and large is somewhere near 41.18%, with the especially greatest pretty typical cost of the coin, was around 17 cents. And the kind of least truly normal cost of truly was around 16 cents, in for the most part beyond 4 months, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Algorand value figure 2023 facts. What will essentially be Algorand kind of worth in 2023, or so they generally thought. The algo cost for the most part is determined to essentially arrive at a kind of greatest degree of 14 cents, with truly least cost of 13 cents, toward the finish of 2023. Genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Does Algorand basically have a future? As far as value, Algorand basically has a remarkable really potential to arrive at new levels in a sort of significant manner essentially. It for the most part is figure that Algo will increment in esteem, by and large further appearance. How Algorand essentially is confronting a genuinely tough time jumping